there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great at-home product that's going to get you into shape, then I highly recommend these resistance bands from Renoj. These come in the pinks, and you have like this light green color, pink and purple, and it also has it as light, medium, and heavy resistance. I just started working out again, so I am all about the light resistance right now. Occasionally I will throw in the medium and heavy resistance, and I'm working up to that. But these have been great for my at-home workouts. What I like about them is it has a thick band that doesn't roll on you. You know what I'm talking about if that's happened to you before, and that can be really irritating. So these don't do that. The inside has a rubber grip, and so it stays on your legs when you're working out and it doesn't move, go up or down. That's another feature that I really like, and I like the quality of these as well. They're very thick, very well made. You can use them in a variety of different workouts. So if you are looking for something to add to your workout routine, these have been wonderful. I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.